What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be working on the red rum. I already got it on the lift, got some wheels off. I already drained the oil and stuff because I'm changing that too. But today we're going to be fixing a leak. Here, let me show you what I got. This right here, leaking right there. Got that bolt missing. So all this has got to come apart. I'm going to take all that out. I'm going to replace the studs here. Let me show you what I got. Got these. They're button heads. They're going to screw in from the back side and hold on and hopefully make everything tighter and seal it up better. Let's get to it. Oh, that was good. That's not good. Good other way. Yeah, that's the easy way. And we'll just let that hang. Oh, I need to get a clamp for that. get all this out. So that's going to be the next thing. Oh, that's cool. It's pulling my whole stud out, which, I mean, that's what I'm trying to do anyway. I got to get all these studs out, so it's one less stud to take out. All right. Whatever. I'm not really using this rubber anyway. Oh, he's dripping so much oil. Oh. As you see, it's pretty easy to remove one of these third members, but now it's the job of getting all these studs out, getting everything cleaned up, and then I'll start putting the new hardware in. So, all we're going to do is get to it. All right. So I'm using the double nut method to get these studs out. So, well, I'm done here. All right. I'm going to show you guys what I just found. The infamous ring gear broke. Damn it. All right. Well, I'm done. All right, well, I'm going to get back at it. I'm going to change these studs out. Either way, I'm going to get a ring and pinion ordered, and I guess we'll get that set up when it comes in. Well, that's life with 40s on Toyota 8-inch axles. It's something you got to expect. Hell, it's been 2 years. I've been running on it and beating the hell out of it, so, I mean, not too bad, really. I know, everybody's going to say, you need to go 1 tons. Yes, I know, but, you know, for what I do, I'll deal with it. Really don't want to go 1 ton. So here we go. We're just going to finish doing what we were doing, and I'm going to kind of slam it back together and just roll it out in the back of the lot here and have someone come pick us up. And I say us because anyway, I'm not going to drive it anymore until that's fixed, because I don't want to do any more damage than what's there. So yeah. All right. Anyway, I got all the studs out except for this little broken guy. Don't mind my smashed finger. That looks great. I'm going to try a little. I got a nut back there. I filled it with Loctite. I'm going to let that set up and see if I can just back it out the other way. If not, I'm going to have to get creative in other ways. Otherwise, well, that's where I'm at. So this is what I'm going to be putting in. I'm going to run them in this way. So yeah, they're going from the inside out. Once I get them about to there or so, I'm going to put some Loctite on them and kind of tighten them up, snug them up in there, and that should hold. And yeah, we'll still work on that. But so let's see if I can get one started. I'm trying to hold a phone and get a bolt started at the same time. This is interesting. It's not something I do on a daily basis here. Which way is my ratchet going? I think that's the wrong way. Can I get my ratchet in there? Doesn't look like it. All right, so I'm gonna have to get a little creative here, so I'll report back once I figure it out. All right, so I just decided to double nut it and pull it in like a stud. I was kind of using an Allen wrench and inside here, and that was getting tedious. This seems like a better idea. So I am to the point, I don't know if you can see it because lighting kind of sucks in there, and I just dropped my light and broke it. That's cool. So I'll fix that in a minute. But yeah, hold on. There we go. I figured out how to do it on my camera. So I'm at the point, I'm going to throw some Loctite on there, and then I'm going to run it down and get her tight. And then, yeah, we'll do all the rest of them. Also, still got to get that out. But, yeah. Not that I'm in a super hurry because, well, that's still missing teeth. All right, cool. All right, so I got them all in except for the one there. Did get the stud out, so I'm going to put that one in. This is a pretty tedious process. Just trying to get those in there, and then yeah, it took a little bit of time, but we're getting there. All right, so I got them all in. I'm not putting the rear diff back together. I'm just going to throw the axles in it and try to get wheels and tires on, just so I can roll it out to the back lot of my shop where I work and order up a gear set and learn how to do that. No, I don't know how to set up gears. I do know a bunch of people who do, so looks like I'm going to try to learn though. I've been wanting to learn how to do it anyway, so just more stuff to learn. Anyway, so well, there's that. Well, I understand this video wasn't helpful. Oh, my hair, what the hell's going on with that? Maybe I need a haircut. Anyway, I understand this video wasn't helpful at all, and it turned in a way that I didn't want it to, because I was hoping to slam that thing back together and be done with it and have it resealed. And well, now I gotta order a gear set and get that coming. And like I said, I'll have to learn how to set it up. Shouldn't be too hard. At least the bearings and everything are still good. So just a gear set. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this shit show of a video. So if you did, hit the like button, share it, maybe. And don't forget to subscribe. All of that stuff helps the channel out. And I want to thank everybody for the last video that I made of the Christmas tree run. That video blew up. It is currently at 1.2 thousand views, which that's awesome. It blew up really fast. So let's keep this momentum going. Like I said, this one wasn't very great, but I'm trying to get y'all something. And don't worry, if you've been following my Facebook, the surprise is coming. I have some big surprises coming for Red Rum. They're just not here yet, so sorry, this wasn't that video. But like that being said, yeah, follow me on Facebook, Chad Hendrickson. You know, it's a picture of me with a backwards hat in my truck. So check me out on Facebook. I do have an Instagram too, redrum_2G4M. I don't get on Instagram a whole lot though, but you can follow me there too if you like my content. So either way, we'll see you later, and we'll figure it out again.